What's up guys, Mr. Scanlon here, and today we're going to be learning a little bit about the basics of computing. To understand it all, I'll first tell you a little bit about the history of computer science. Now what I'm about to cover will be glossing over decades of scientific achievement, but the purpose of this video isn't to cover all of the history of computer science. You can take courses like that in college or even read about it online if you're more interested. This video is going to be trying to get you up to speed for this class and more importantly the first couple projects in this class, just to start getting you thinking about computers. Computing has been around for thousands of years, but only in the last 80 years has digital computing been around. Alan Turing, regarded as the forefather of computer science, came up with the idea of a digital computer, a machine that is not only designed for a purpose but can be redesigned or reprogrammed to do different things. He was a British mathematician who, during World War II, was recruited into British intelligence to help defeat the Nazi Enigma machine. This device scrambled words into coded messages which could be transmitted on open airways to Nazi forces to coordinate attacks against the Allies. Turing sought to break the code by developing what was known as a Turing machine. His reasoning: what if only a machine can beat another machine? Turing created the first computer and founded a new field of computer science because of his Turing machine. It's said that his work cut short World War II by years and saved many lives. One of the big ideas to take away from Turing's work when unraveling the Enigma machine is that all communication is based on the idea that two individuals communicating effectively with one another tend to know what the other is saying. For instance, if I said to a student at Mount Carmel, "I'll meet you in the Commons," and then I said the exact same thing to a person just visiting the school for the first time, the two might end up in different spots. The student knows what the Commons is because we all associate the word with the large area where kids eat their lunches. But someone who doesn't understand the culture at Mount Carmel isn't going to be able to readily figure out what that means. The same goes for computers, which is why we sometimes get weird glitches when using applications. A computer can't detect euphemisms the way a cultured human being can. Around the same time, an electrical engineer and an American named Claude Shannon pioneered information theory. Information theory is the idea that all communication can be simplified into ones and zeros, or yeses and nos. This idea is what set the standard for using bits, or ones and zeros, in digital computers. Later in this course, we will cover more about this theory, but I just wanted to mention him now and Turing as two of the most influential computer scientists to be aware of.